Have you ever wanted to sing and play your favorite song on the piano, but found the song too high for you to sing? In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to transpose or shift a song to any key, allowing you to sing comfortably within your vocal range while accompanying yourself. I'll demonstrate with an example. Let's say your song is in the key of C major and has the following chord progression: C major, F major, and G major. Let's say the highest note of the song is G5, but the highest note you can sing comfortably is D5. We know D5 is 5 semitones lower than G5. By shifting the entire song down 5 semitones, we ensure the highest note of the song is D5 instead of G5. This method of shifting is called transposing. 5 semitones down from C major is G major, which will be our new key. The next thing we want to do is make sure we know the scale of the new key. Here is the G major scale. Next, we'll go over the original chords and mark them with numbers in relation to the scale. C major is chord 1 because C is the first or root note of the C major scale. F major is chord 4 because F is the fourth note of the scale. G major is chord 5 because G is the fifth note of the scale. So we have chord 1, chord 4, and chord 5. If we move to the key of G, we'll just need to figure out which chords are chord 1, chord 4, and chord 5 in the G major scale. Chord 1 is G major because G is the root note of G major scale. Our fourth note is C, so our chord 4 is C major. Our fifth note is D, so our chord 5 is D major. So our chords transposed to G major key is G major, C major, and D major. Let's take another example. Say our original chord progression in C major key is C major, E minor, F major, and G major. Marking the chords with numbers in relation to the scale, we have chord 1 for C major, chord 3 for E minor, chord 4 for F major, and chord 5 for G major. Let's say we want to transpose this to A major this time. First, we'll need to know our A major scale. Now we'll need to figure out what chord 1, chord 3, chord 4, and chord 5 correspond to in the key of A major. Chord 1 is A major because A is the root note of A major scale. Our third note is C sharp in our scale. So our chord 3 is C sharp minor. Our fourth note is D. So our chord 4 is D major. And our fifth note is E. So our chord 5 is E major. So our chords transposed to the key of A major is A major, C sharp minor, D major, and E major. With this method, you can transpose any song to a key that is comfortable for you.